Hi, welcome to my home. My name is Kathy, and in today's video, I'm going to be canning up some garbanzo beans that will be perfect for throwing into a tossed salad. So when we come back, we're going to be in my kitchen, and I'm going to show you how to get this put together. This recipe is from the Not Your Mama's Canning book. It's on page 99, and it's Choose Your Own Adventure Beans. And under the Adventurous Add-in section, I'm going to be doing the garbanzo beans, which will be garbanzo beans, a sprig of thyme, a tablespoon of lemon juice or a slice of lemon. I'm using a slice of lemon, and a clove of peeled garlic. These will be good to use in a Mediterranean type salad. These are also used in the chickpea tiki masala recipe that's also in this book. I'm not sure how many chickpeas I have enough for, so I'm just going to start off with 4 jars. We'll see how far that gets us. I did soak the chickpeas overnight. Then I brought the pot up to a boil. I rinsed them really well. Then I filled the pot with water. I brought them to a boil, and then I boiled them for about a minute and skimmed off any of the foam. I did another recipe with these, doing a quick hummus recipe out of that same book, and these are the chickpeas that are left over from me filling my jars for that one. I'll put a link to that video up in the corner and then down below so that you can go check out that recipe as well. Okay, for this one we're going to start off with a half a teaspoon of salt in each jar. And the salt is just for flavoring, so you can leave it out if you want. And when you're doing the salt in your recipe, it really doesn't matter what salt you use. Just want to make sure you're not using a salt with iodine in it, because that will discolor your water. I'm just using pink Himalayan salt. It may also give a discoloration to the water, but it's not going to matter. I'm not too concerned about it. So now I'm going to fill my jars with the chickpeas. I think I'll put just about a half in, and then I'll put my sprig of thyme down in there. And I'll put a couple lemon slices in. And we'll fill it the rest of the way. At this point, I'm just trying to make my jar look pretty. We'll see how far it gets me. So I need to put less than half of it filled with chickpeas, then put the other things in. Two lemon slices. I know the recipe called for only 1 lemon slice, but in their picture it has 2, so I'm putting 2. I'm sure it does not matter. A little extra lemon is not going to hurt anything. Oh, and I forgot my garlic. Let's get the garlic in there. Close some clove of garlic up there. And I am using store-bought thyme, even though I have thyme growing out in my garden. The thyme in my garden has all turned to flowers, so I'm using store-bought. Looks like I'm going to get 3 pints out of this. Now I'm going to fill the jars with the water from my pot. I don't think I'm going to have enough water, so I'll just use tap water or filtered water to make up the difference. So you want to debubble them. Check your headspace. Wipe your rim. Put on a lid, a ring, and into the canner. Okay, all of the jars are put together. Those look so pretty. Get them in the canner. Now I'm going to process these for 75 minutes at 15 pounds of pressure because for my altitude and my canner, I process at 15 pounds. Please make sure you check your canner and your altitude to find out what pressure you should be processing at. Since these are pints, we will process them for 75 minutes. So I will be bringing you back once they're all done, and I'll show you what the final product looks like. The beans have finished processing, and don't they look beautiful? Well, if you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell icon to be notified each time I put out a new video. Well, until next time, I hope you have an amazing day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.